everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us struggle with: weight loss. If you've been working hard but not seeing the results you want, stick around. We're uncovering 7 reasons why you might not be losing weight and how to fix them. Our first reason is not tracking calories. It's easy to underestimate how much you're eating. Using an app or food journal can be a game changer. Number 2, not getting enough protein. Protein helps you feel full and supports muscle growth. Make sure to include a source of protein in every meal. Reason 3 is lack of sleep. Poor sleep can affect your metabolism and hunger hormones. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Stress is our fourth reason. It can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. Try stress-reducing activities like yoga or meditation. Number 5, not drinking enough water. Staying hydrated is crucial for your metabolism and can help control hunger. Reason 6, overestimating exercise. Exercise is important, but it doesn't give you a free pass to eat anything. Balance is key. Finally, lack of consistency. Weight loss takes time and effort. Stick with your healthy habits, and you'll see progress. So, there you have it: 7 reasons you might not be losing weight and how to fix them. Remember, everyone's journey is different, so find what works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.